Oh, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. That's what good chicken should look like. It tastes delicious too. Today, I'm going to make some grilled chicken. It's going to include a marinade also. Who doesn't like grilled chicken? Chicken's delicious. Chicken's one of my favorite meats. I work with chicken a lot and I love it. This recipe is simple. Most of these ingredients you should already have on your shelf, and they are easily obtainable most places in the United States. So this is a very basic, simple recipe, fairly inexpensive to make. It is flat delicious. I have some chicken breasts here that really resemble more like pterodactyl breasts. I don't know, I don't like the way chicken parts come out giant now. Anyway, beautiful breasts. We got some basil and other goodies here, and I'm looking forward to showing you this. So come over, we'll take a look, and I'm going to show you how I like to make a grilled chicken with a little bit of lemon and garlic. Come on. Today, this wonderful dish includes chicken, basil, lemon juice, some black pepper. We have garlic and a little bit of salt going on. We have some wonderful ingredients here, folks. This makes a great marinade and a fantastic grilled chicken that you're definitely going to like. I'm about to mix my marinade together. When I do this, after I mix these ingredients, I'll pour this off into a plastic bag, put my breasts into that, and marinate them directly in a plastic bag. One thing I will caution you, plastic bags leak. So put the plastic bag down in a bowl before putting it in your refrigerator to marinate. You could have some messy results otherwise. Okay, looky here, folks. Got the chicken right down in this bag. Now this bag has already leaked a little bit on me on the upper corner here. And this is the reason I put it down in this. I don't want this stuff getting in the inside of my fridge. Do it this way and you resolve that problem. Let these marinate, turn them about every 30 minutes, give them 3 to 4 hours of marinating time, and then they are ready to be grilled. I wanted to mention right off the bat the old debate. Do you use a charcoal grill or do you use a gas grill? Well, folks, if you use a charcoal grill, you're limited to only the flavor of just that, and you're limited to all of its limitations. If you use a gas grill, you can still have the flavor of charcoal. What we do is we take that charcoal, we wrap it up in foil, poke some holes in the foil. As the charcoal is lighting up and heating, it starts to smolder and release its smoke, and you get the flavor of whichever charcoal is your favorite in whatever food you're cooking. And you get that in a gas grill, okay? So if you have a gas grill, you can do it that way. If you don't have one of those smoker trays that you put chips into, you can also just take larger pieces of wood like I use for smoking in my smoker, wrap them in foil, poke some holes in it, and again, this wood will heat up and it will smolder inside of the foil, releasing its smoke into the grill as you're cooking. So this is a closed lid method of gas grill cooking that incorporates whichever flavor you prefer. Give this method a try. I'm sure you're going to like it. That little foil packet that I wrapped up with wood, I put right there in the very back of my grill under the grate. Now if you got one of those grills where the heat element is really close to the grate, just put this on top of it in the back, okay? It'll do a good job. Otherwise, down here, it heats up good, it smokes good, and it works good. Give it a try. Couple of little tricks as you're getting ready to put your breast on the grill. Give them a light coat of olive oil. I'm using a sprayer to make it easier for me. Isn't that nice? It's a lot faster too. These little pressure sprayers, you can find them online and also in different kitchen supplies. They work very, very well. And I'm going to put on some seasoned pepper on this. Folks, you can put anything on yours that you would like. You can use regular black pepper, leave them the way they are, add nothing extra. I like to bump it up just a little bit, and that's the reason I like to use this particular product. So there it is. It's beautiful. It's going to be delicious. Now I just got to get it on that hot grill. Right, this has been preheating. I've been getting a beautiful smell of the smoke off of that wood. It's not intense, but it's going to be perfect for this. So I need to get my breasts up in here. Just like this. We go. That is going to make gorgeous grill marks right there. Okay, we give it some time, a little bit of smoke. I'm going to give these 4 to 5 minutes per side. Now these are big, thick ones. Going to be closer to 5 on these. This one here can be 4 minutes. Just like that, folks. Nothing more to it. Now today I started with 4 breasts, and these are big breasts, okay? I think earlier I called them pterodactyl breasts, okay? And they are just ridiculously huge. So one of these is probably good enough for 2 people. Ladies and gentlemen, you need some chicken breasts. I've got 4 out here, and to that I did a cup of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of basil, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons to a tablespoon of minced garlic, and folks, that makes for a fantastic marinade. And that olive oil, we put that right over it just before it hits the grill to give it a nice smooth flavor. All right, let's take a look at our chicken. Isn't that beautiful? There we go, folks. That's what your chicken should look like right there. Gorgeous breasts. I've been sitting here enjoying this. These things are so juicy, delicious. The smokiness, but also that marinade. Man, a good lemon flavor. There's this wonderful kick of garlic with it, and the basil just set it off. Fantastic recipe. This is one you're really going to like. If you would, please take a look right underneath here in the description box. Got some links there. S.A.Trotter.com. That's my website, and that is where I sell my recipes. If you would take a look at that, I also have some other stuff there too. If you would, in that description box, there's also a link to Texas Cooking Today. That's for the rest of the videos. There's over 640 episodes. A lot to choose from. And if you didn't see what you want, drop me a comment in any of my comments box. Asking for that item as a request. You'd be surprised. I do that often. Folks, thank you for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed, do so. Click the thumbs up. And have a good day. Bye-bye. I wanted to speak to you for just a moment about my recipes. Now, I put out my recipes, okay? They're on my website. Now, I don't put out your average everyday recipe. You know, I had somebody comment to me recently. He said, why would I do that when they're available everywhere for free? There's a little difference. Those that are for free, and I've printed them out, you have too, little tiny thing in the corner of the piece of paper that's covered with ads most of the time, and then it's not very descriptive. Not mine. Mine are worth having. Okay, so when you get one of mine, it's designed to be printed in such a way that it can be put into like a 3-ring binder. Look at this. Look at the quality on it. Look at how clear this is. The imagery is beautiful. So they can be printed, and this is the way I've designed mine, is so they can be printed back to back. And then you end up with, you know, a complete recipe that works in a book. And it comes out absolutely beautiful. Pictures that depict everything that you need to do in the recipe. Now, not all of them are exactly that way, but a lot of them are, and I'm getting more and more done this way. And I'm putting a hard push towards good quality recipes that give better instructions than everybody else's. And that's the reason I do them this way. These are designed to have holes punched in them. You pull this up and do this with it. Look, 3-ring binder, boom, punch holes in it, you have it right there. Everything's all available for you, okay? So Pardon me, I didn't mean to hit the mic. Anyway, really cool idea. A great way to do your recipes. Instead of having to buy a book of 50 recipes to get 10, you just pay for the 10 recipes, save a whole lot of money, and you got a better idea for how to keep your recipes. Thanks for watching. Please enjoy what I provide. Check out Texas Cooking Today. There's a lot, I mean a lot of recipes there. And if you would, take a look in the description box down underneath me here, and you'll find the links to my website, to Texas Cooking Today, to the stuff that I do, and how to keep up with me and to find out a little bit more. Thank you very much. You have a good day.